iRoad, the world's leading dashcam brand from South Korea, introduces iRoad X11 dash camera for car. It has got QHD2 channel, Sony StarVis sensor, Real HDR, time-lapse, advanced driver assistance systems, 155 degrees wide viewing angle, cloud connectivity and so on. 40-pixel Quad HD resolution with 5 megapixels delivers clearer and sharper images. Capturing 4 times more clarity than HD resolution, the iRoad X11 illustrates 1440-pixel QHD front and rear recording during both day and night. It has got 155 degrees wide angle lens, offer a wide angle of view and minimize blind spots, ensuring the seen-through front windshield is completely recorded. High dynamic range Real HDR is installed to remove light blurring when driving at night, and it shows clear recording quality in various lighting conditions such as backlight and tunnels. It has got Sony StarVis images sensor that guarantees the ultimate sharpness and night image quality. It helps to record the brightest and the cleanest images even in low light environments. It provides a much brighter and clearer image compared to seeing with bare eyes. Xvision Intelligent Night Vision for iRoad. In parking mode, the surrounding brightness is automatically diagnosed within 5 seconds and the recording brightness will be set to 3 times higher when the surrounding illumination is low. Time-lapse. iRoad time-lapse supports continuous recording at 1 frame per second in parking mode. It allows memory saving in a way to continue up to 30 times more than other dash camera. Connecting the dash cam to cloud via mobile hotspot device or a Wi-Fi network with internet access. Cloud connectivity through Wi-Fi. Users can watch X11's live stream and check the vehicle's location in real time from anywhere at any time, receive push notifications for events during parking, get event videos automatically uploaded to cloud and download video footage remotely. Cloud Remote Live View. Cloud Push Notifications. Cloud Remote Video Playback. Cloud Video Backup. Cloud GPS Records. Cloud Auto Event Upload. Faster GPS reception speed. Synced with Google Maps, the external GPS keeps track of traveling speed, records driving information and supports ADAS function. Low battery prevention. For the purpose of battery protection, it automatically detects and cuts off voltage when the voltage drops below certain point. Once initiated, recording is stopped and power is turned off. The motion detection function is effective for saving battery. All-glass lens. More stable at higher temperature, equipped with all-glass lens that will not warp under high or low temperature. Optimized image quality is presented with all-glass lens. High temperature protection. iRoad X11 is built to endure both high and low temperatures in order to keep the device running smoothly. The high temperature protection function makes the device automatically turn off in case of overheating, protecting both the device and the stored data. iRoad package contents are: front camera, rear camera, Wi-Fi dongle, 64GB micro SD card, uninterrupted fuse cable, rear camera cable, user guide and warranty card, adhesive mount with 3M tape.